Good morning. Today's chemistry lesson, we're going to talk about water. The different types of solutions, the types of substances, reactivity of metals with water, and the hardness of water. These are the different topics that we're going to consider in this chapter, water. What do you see in the figure here? In the figure, there are different apparatus. One is a measuring cylinder, a flask, there's another round bottom flask. So, what do you know? We are going to understand a basic learning objective is how is water important, and the figure here stated that water is a universal solvent because as you can see water has dissolved many different substances right there. Okay, so we're going to go through 4 learning outcomes. We're going to define the terms which are related to solutions, then we're going to explain what is water of crystallization. Then we're going to understand the reactivity of metals with water, and finally we're going to analyze the hardness in water. So how do salts dissolve in solution? Like if you take an example, you take a glass of water, you take a pinch of salt and just put it in the water. You stir it and you see or you notice that the salt just disappeared. It hasn't exactly disappeared. What happens is if you take a look at water in a molecular form, like very microscopically, you'll notice that because water is a liquid, it has spaces in between, like there is intermolecular spaces in between, significant amount. So when you sprinkle salt in it and when you stir it, these salt molecules, what do is they go and fit or squeeze in between those gaps in the water molecule. So what happens is it seems like there's just water, but no, there's also the salt which has been dissolved, but it's just hiding between the gaps of water molecules.